Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to create a budget in Wally, the awesome app that helps you take control of your finances. Whether you're a student trying to save for that dream trip or a professional looking to cut down on unnecessary spending, Wally makes budgeting straightforward and effective. Let's jump right in. First off, if you haven't already, download the Wally app from your phone's app store. It's free and available for both iOS and Android, so grab it now and let's get started. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a new account. You'll need to enter your email, create a password, and verify your details. Think of this as the foundation of your financial dashboard. Next, customize your profile. Wally will prompt you to add basic info like your name, age, and even your financial goals. Be honest here, it's what helps the app tailor suggestions to your needs. For example, if you're aiming to save for a vacation, input that as a goal to track your progress. Now, the fun part. Adding your income. Go to the income section and input all your sources, like your salary, side gigs, or allowances. This gives Wally a clear picture of your total earnings, which is essential for realistic budgeting. Moving on, let's tackle expenses. Start by listing out your regular spends, think rent, groceries, entertainment, and bills. Wally lets you categorize these easily, so group them into folders like Essentials or Fun Money. Once that's done, set limits for each category. For instance, allocate $300 for dining out this month to keep things in check. Finally, monitor and adjust. Wally's dashboard will show you real-time graphs and alerts if you're nearing your limits. Review your budget weekly to make tweaks as needed. That's the key to staying on track. And there you have it, folks. Creating a budget in Wally is quick, easy, and empowering. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.